It's tiring today. It's very boring. I have no missions to do. Let's mock him on somewhere else. There's nothing better to do. I can use my chainsaw form out here in the open. Bro, have you heard these new demons are out? We got these strange pumpkin demons. I know that for sure. Yes, very strange pumpkin demons. Pumpkin demons? What? Yes, pumpkin demons and a bunch of them. They've been killing off other demons. Bro, that's crazy. I know. Now, imagine. I don't know what to get. Imagine us fighting pumpkin demons and become famous. Yes, if we can have money. Yes, I agree with what you're saying. Yes, exactly. We have helmets. I mean, like, we got watermelon demons, but pumpkin demons are very rare. No, I see watermelon demons. We see them a bunch. We see pumpkin demons too much. Wait, what? Cut. I will get revenge. Denji will not last. After he killed my father, my uncle have died. I'm very mad. It's normal. I don't see that demon yet. Yeah, pumpkin demon. I mean, watermelon demons. Yes, that's what we was talking about. Watermelon demons. They are very hard to defeat. I know. Bro, who's that? Look behind you. What? Ah, it's watermelon demons. Oh, for the chef. Oh, shoot, my friend's knocked out. Wake up now. I thought I was dead. He was just knocked out. Now grab the gun. We got some business to take care of. Okay. Wait. Why watermelon demons here? I don't know, but they better get grind. That barely did anything. I know. Wait, a weak spot is the head. They're one of those. Wait, don't blow it up. You're gonna have to. Dang, I got tough skin. What is going on? What's going on? Yes, the pumpkin demon say I sent them. Now I must finish the job with Denji. They just died. Let's go! Oh, what the? Ouch! My head. Just go! Who? You! Yes. You really think you can survive? Pumpkin demons, go! Oh God! Let's go! I'm tired of you. Yes, you are, is. Too bad, too sad. You brought this upon. You brought this upon yourself. Come here. Eat bullets! Get out the way! I'm gonna die too. They didn't do nothing. It's over, Daisy. It's time for you to die for my uncle. Ha ha ha. Not today. You're not the only one witch. Oh yes. Dash. My arm. I'm here. Let's go. Eat this. She did. She did. Dead. Dead, I tell you. Dead. I am the OG. Let's go. no! Stay alive! Don't you dare die on me! It's over, Denji. It's over, Denji. You are dead now. Now, let's steal the heart of yours and use it for one of mine. Get ready, Denji. Get prepared to die now. Not in a million years. Denji, you fool! I will be back. Dang it, Denji. You idiot. You beat your phone. Look what you got yourself in. You can shut up already. And your blade's broken. You lost an arm. And what happened to your legs? We gotta do something with you. Come on. We gotta go. That's the end for this.